Introducing EarBuddy. Do you struggle with cleaning your ears? Do you worry about the environmental impact of disposable ear cleaning products? Avoid single-use products, plastic or otherwise. The reusable, environmentally friendly, easy to use, affordable, and effective device that you can rely on for daily use and safe cleaning. EarBuddy is designed and tested with the help of laryngology physicians. The patented cleaning technology features a soft and flexible silicone tip that gently inflates to quickly clean your ears without the discomfort or risk of traditional cotton swabs, and avoids the risk of perforating the eardrum. The device easily inserts inside of the user's ear, inflates for safe cleaning, and then retracts to collect wax, water, dust, and dirt from inside the ear. Unlike other devices that can push wax deeper in your ear, EarBuddy is around 30% smaller than traditional ear cleaning products, with no risk of eardrum damage and can improve your overall ear health. Avoid single-use cleaning products and incorporate EarBuddy into your everyday routine. Easily clean your EarBuddy with soap and water after each use. EarBuddy is not only effective and affordable, it's also made with quality and care in Italy. The EarBuddy's unique patented design was inspired by the grace and beauty of the hummingbird. Experience the EarBuddy difference. EarBuddy, your next daily habit.